Good morning everyone. Welcome to Narayana Live classes. So today we will discuss the assignment dated 18 June 2020. So if I talk about the great scientist of India, so two names come in our mind immediately. One is APJ Abdul Kalam and another is Kalpana Chawla, who was known as Indian American scientist, or in other words you may say Indian American women in space. So we all know like Kalpana Chawla, she was a great scientist and she had been moved to US. So the first question from this chapter, what is a space shuttle? What is a space shuttle? A space shuttle is a spacecraft that is made for repeated space travel, for example between Earth and a space station. A space shuttle is a spacecraft which is made for repeated space travel between Earth and space. Alright, so this was the first question, and if I move to the next question, where was Kalpana Chawla born? Kalpana Chawla, we all know, was born at Karnal in Haryana. And why was she called as Indian American astronaut? Because she was married to a US flight instructor and became an American citizen. So where was Kalpana Chawla born? Kalpana Chawla was born at Karnal in Haryana. She was known as Indian American women because she was married to a American flight instructor. Alright, so Kalpana Chawla was born at Karnal. Over here, I used at Karnal and in Haryana. Why? Why at Karnal? Because at Karnal is a specific place. Alright, it's a city, and Haryana it's a Haryana it's a state. That's why I used at Karnal and in Haryana. Alright, the third question is, when and why did she go to US? Whom did she marry? So when did she went to US? When did she go to US? She went to the US after doing her graduation. She went to the US after her BSc or after her graduation. Anything you may write, both are acceptable. Alright, after her graduation. Why? Why did she go there? She went to the US for a master's degree. She went to the US for master's degree. Next, whom did she marry? She married to the flight instructor Jean Pierre Harrison. She married Jean Pierre Harrison. Question, how did she become an astronaut? Whom gave her the idea that she could be an astronaut? Alright, so how did she become an astronaut? She was selected for training as an astronaut by NASA. How did she become? She was selected for the training by NASA. Then how did she become an astronaut? How did she become how she could be an astronaut? Actually, her colleagues, the people around her, encouraged her to fulfill her ambition. So the people, the colleagues around her encouraged to fulfill her ambition. Alright, let's move to the fifth question. The fifth question is, what abilities an astronaut must have according to the journalist? So according to the journalist, an astronaut must have a wide knowledge on all the objects. According to the journalist, one must have knowledge in all the objects. Why one must have the knowledge in all the in all the objects? Because if you have knowledge only about one or the other thing, yes, so you cannot achieve your goal. I hope you all must have heard, less knowledge is always a big danger. So better to have the knowledge in all the aspects. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye-bye.